Hello everyone, again welcome back to our channel, and today as usual we have brought you another tutorial video where I will be showing you how you can delete your Telegram account. But before we start with our video, as usual, do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yeah, let's get started. So we'll just go to our Telegram app first, and once your app is open, then you will see this three horizontal line on your top left corner. Simply tap on that, and then you will simply tap on this option called settings. So there are apparently two things that you can do about deleting your account. First thing what you can do is you simply tap on this privacy and security. Then you will see this option called delete my account. In this delete my account, you can simply tap on this if away for 6-month option, where it was 6 month here automatically set. So you can do is you can simply tap on this 1 month or 1 year. You can change to any timestamp given over here. Like for example, if you have selected 1 month, if you're not logged in for a month, you're logged out of your Telegram account, then your account will be automatically deleted. So that is one way. Or if you want to delete your account right away, then what you can do is you will simply go back. Then you will simply scroll down and find this option called Telegram FAQ. Simply tap on that, and here you can see all the topics with the problems. Then you can simply scroll down and go to this your account section, where you will find this option called delete your Telegram account. Tap on that, and once you tap on that, this particular interface will open up, where you can see this how do I delete my account. If you would like to read this article, you can read it, or if you do not, then you can simply tap on this deactivation page highlighted in blue, and then this page will open on your web browser, where you will see this delete account or manage app. Then you will see this your phone number option, where you will just add in the phone number which you use to create your account, and you have to make sure that you add it with the country code of yours. And once you're done adding your number, then you will simply tap on this option called next. So you will get this confirmation code, and this confirmation code will come on Telegram app itself. It's not going to come on your message box of your phone. And then simply paste that particular code over here and tap in this option called sign in. And once you're done sign in, this particular interface will open, where you will type the reason why you want to delete your Telegram account. Then once you're done with your reasoning, then you will simply tap on this delete my account option below. I'm not tapping over here because I do not want to delete my account. Once you tap your delete my account, then your account will be permanently deleted from your Telegram app. So yeah, this is how you can delete easily, and thank you so much for watching our video till the end, and yeah, I'll see you guys next time.